how to download games from Samsung Galaxy Store. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download the games or applications from the Samsung Galaxy Store. So if you are using Samsung phone, you simply have to click on the Samsung Galaxy Store, and once you're inside here you can see a lot of games over here. And once you're inside here, simply click on any of the games that you want to download. Let's say I want to download this, and once I click on the game download button over here, you can see it's being downloaded right now. And as you can see, its total MB is 144.97 MB. So let's wait for some time, and now it's being installed. And you see the game has been successfully downloaded and installed as well. And to play, simply you just simply had to click on this play button over here, and once you click on it, your game has been successfully loaded. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.